Sample 11 plus assessment test for CEM Maths. Section 1, there are 4 questions. Questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question number 1. This circle has been split into equal parts. What fraction has been shaded? We can count how many parts there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 parts. How many have been shaded? 1, 2, 3. So a fraction is a part divided by whole. So how many shaded? 3. How many in total? 8. So it's 3 out of 8. So your answer is D. 3 out of 8. So there are 8 segments and 3 are shaded. This is a fraction of 3 over 8. Bill goes to a car rally. He keeps a note of the race times of the cars in minutes. What is the range of the times? Range is given by the biggest minus smallest. Remember that. Range is given by the biggest minus smallest, or the highest minus the lowest. And the biggest number is 156. The smallest is 122. So 156 minus 122, it gives you 34. So that's how you find the range. And in this case, it's between the slowest and the fastest car. Question number 3. Tarsin is doing his shape puzzle, this shape puzzle. Which of the pieces below will complete the puzzle? So you want to look at, if we pick this one, which is B, if you take that shape B and you move it there and then you rotate it, it would fit. So shape B is the correct answer. So if you notice with shape B, it's in that direction, but the shape can be fitted if you take the shape and you move it. And then when you get there, you want to rotate the shape so that it fits. So shape B is the correct answer. So you need to find a shape that is the correct size and that would fit. And you rotate shape B by 180 degrees to fit. Question number 4. Which of the following is most likely to be the weight of a small can of baked beans? The answer is 250 grams. 2.5 kilograms is like 5 bags of 500 gram sugar. You know the little bags of sugar, 5 of them. So that's too much, too big, too much. 2.5 grams is like a small coin. That's still too small. And 2,500 grams is the same as 2.5 kilograms, which is like 5 bags of sugar, which are 500 grams each. And 25 grams is small. So the most likely is 250 grams. Questions number 5, 6, 7, and 8. For question number 5, which of these numbers is 21 squared? 21 squared means 21 times 21. So 21 squared, it means 21 times 21. And you can do the multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And you add them. 1 add nothing is 1. 2 add 2 is 4. And 4 add nothing is 4. So it's 441. That's one way to do it. So another way, you can round it to 20. 20 times 20, you get 400. And you would know the nearest one would be 441. So the answer is B. Question number 6. Which of these dials shows 750 grams? I've made it bigger here so you can see. This one is 0 and then 1 kilogram. So we have to divide this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 1,000 divided by 4 is 250. So this one is 250. At another 250, 500. This one will be 750. So that's how we got this one to be 750. So your answer is B, 750. Number 7. A scarf is 45 centimeters long. Jade buys 20 scarves. What is the total length of the scarves in meters? So we want to do 45 times 20. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. You write 0 and carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 1 you carry is 9. Now you add them up. 0 add 0 is 0. 0 add 0 is 0. And 9 add nothing is 9. So it's 900 centimeters. Now we need to change the 900 centimeters to meters. We know 100 centimeters is 1 meter. To go from 100 to 900, you times 9. So 900 centimeters. So you times 9 on the left, you times 9 on the right. That gives you 9 meters. Question number 8. Henry is 145.6 centimeters tall. Paul is 145.9 centimeters tall. Alfie is exactly halfway between the heights of Henry and Paul. How tall is Alfie? Right, 2 ways to do this. You add the two numbers and divide by 2. And it's just how good you're good in your adding and your dividing. So when you add the two numbers, 6 plus 9 is 15, 5 and carry 1. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus the 1 you carry 11 and carry 1. 4 plus 4, 8 plus the 1 you carry 9. 1 plus 1, 2. So you get 291.5. Now we want to find half of that. So you do long division. 291.5 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. Remainder 0. Use the 9 next. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Remainder 1. You bring down the 1. 2 goes into 11 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. You bring the 0.5 and you put the decimal point. 2 goes into 1.5. 0.7 times 0.7 times 2 is 1.4. 1.5 minus 1.4 is 1. You add a 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. So it's 145.75. You can do it that way, or you can find the difference between 145 and 145.9, 145.6 and 145.9. And that difference is 0.3. You half of that 0.3. What's half of 0.3? Is 0.15. So halfway point between the two numbers would be you add 145.6 plus that 0.15. It gives you 145.75.